In this problem, it says in triangle ABC, AB is 6, BC is 9, D lies on AC, angle ABD is congruent to angle DBC, and E is the midpoint of BD. They tell us that the numeric area of triangle ABC is 25, so determine the numeric area of triangle ABE. All right, so let's start with triangle ABC. We have ABC. We know that AB has a length of 6, BC has a length of 9. We know that ABD and DBC are equal, so D is somewhere on here. And what that does is that cuts this, that bisects that angle right there. And they also say that E is the midpoint of BD. All right. So how do we go about this? Well, one key thing about the angle bisector is that it breaks this up into two proportional pieces. So let's say that this is the base. Let's just call it B. Well, that means that this and this are proportional pieces, and they're proportional to this, 6 and 9. And so the way this works is this is 6B over 15, and this is going to be 9b over 15. The reason it's divided by 15 is that's what the total would be, 6 and 9, they add up to. So this is 6/15 of whatever this is, and this is 9/15 of whatever this is. Now the thing to note is that the height for both of these triangles is the same. And so we can just call this the height. And so we know that 1/2 base times height is 25, because that's what the problem gave us up here. But here our base is 6 out of 15. So we'll replace B with 1/2 6 over 15 B times H. Now if I pull out the 6/15, then I have 1/2 base times height, which we know is 25. Okay, so let's see, I can cancel a 5 out of both of these, so we're left with a 5 and a 3, and we can cancel a 3 out of each of these, so that's 2 and 1, so that means we have 10. Now 10, unfortunately, is not the answer. 10 is the area of this part of the triangle. But what we want to know is we want to know what is the area of triangle ABE. Right here. So I'm going to draw this half down below, but I'm going to give it a turn. We have A, we have D, we have E, and we have B right here. Now we know that this and this are equal lengths because they tell us that E is the midpoint. And the height of these two triangles, this one and this one, are equal. Now we already found that this is an area of 10. That's what we found. But what we want to know is what is the area of this? Well, the base of this triangle is half the base of the entire triangle. So that means the area of this triangle has to be half the area of the entire triangle. So that means that our area for this triangle is 5. And there's our answer. And we're done.